Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans. First of all, the last video I showed you the 3D printed 1 ton drop bags, so I've filled them with gravel and they just need weathering now, so they're looking pretty good. Yesterday in the post I got these from Scale Model Scenery. These are a packet of wall ties. All different shaped ones there, lots of them. They use them on really old buildings if the walls become a bit unsteady or unstable between cavity and inside wall and outside wall, and they use these as wall ties to tie them in back together. And so I've got a use for some of those on a couple of builds I'm doing. They also had a bit of focal interest onto the front of a very plain building, which is what I've got. The thing what I have got this time is, I can't see it from there, that building, small industrial building. It's a laser cut, sorry about that, it's a laser cut MDF and laser board building. I'm going to open it up and see, and let's have a look at what it is. I've not opened it before, so we're all new to this. One. Not sure what that is straight off, but we'll have a look in the instructions. Right, that's the laser board here. Obviously lots of windows and doors. They actually look very well detailed, those doors. They've got the handles cut in and everything like that, so that's good. They're all easy enough to free up off the board. Whatever that could be, the back wall or part of the roof, I'm not sure. And we've got the same here again. That's the side with some window apertures and a plain piece. And this is the bit that I'm really interested in at the moment. Yeah, these are doorways, right? They're dead easy to come off the board. Look at that, it just pushes out. Now this is a front wall. It has a long window along the top and bricks at the side, and that's the doorway aperture. Look at how good the detail on the brick is. I can get it back in focus. We can't because of the thing behind it. I'm not used to this camera, folks, yet. There we have. Look at the brick detail in that. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some red paint, probably red oxide or something similar, to initially paint all the parts that have got bricks on them, all the brick parts. And I'm going to start building it and then weathering it all up together. There's just a few little pips. You can see the burn marks along here, and those are the little pips. Each one of those, what actually holds it in. And wow, they just push out these. They're not. I don't want to risk doing any damage to the brick edges at the side. They're very fine of those, but it's a dead easy fit. Looking at it, it all just slots together, and we've got lots of details, doors, windows and stuff, so it should look good. On the next video I'll show you the building all painted up and ready for full assembly and detailing. I've seen a company called Model U, and they do very tiny little drain pipes and brackets and things like that, so I'm gonna order some stuff from them. It's ideal for scratch building with, and I think it'll make this look great. Thank you all ever so much for looking in. I'll be back soon in a day or two, showing you the building painted and what we can expect it to look like on the layout. Thank you all ever so much. Bye bye for now.